a forest full of feet. The sun is shining backwards on the gravel of the street. My hands are trembling calmly with the waving of the sea. A sea of yellow fishes that need alcohol to breathe. And I'm moving forward with the current of the tide. I'm floating through marshmallows with koalas by my side. The air is getting thicker with some solid dioxide. My ears will ring so loudly that I'm slowly going blind. And nobody can see me 'cause I've stolen all their eyes. And if you want them back, you'll have to eat McDonald's fries. Bananas fill the gutters like a house covered in snow. The timing moves so quickly